Okay, just I forgot before. I changed me tyres around the other day. I changed my tyres around the other day, and I changed the driver's front to the passenger front, and the passenger front to the passenger rear, and the passenger rear to the driver's front. Triangle effect, because the one on this side, driver's rear, was fine, and the spare's just a spare. I wouldn't even worry about using it unless I had to. And it's on a different rim. Anyway, I did a video a while ago thinking that I had a front wheel bearing that was playing up. Since I've changed the tyres, the noise is actually louder, so maybe it's tyre wear as well, and possibly I need a wheel alignment. When you drive straight, it hums, and when you veer to the right or turn right, it still hums, but the slightest little turn of the steering wheel, and I mean like that, to the left, it stops, goes quiet. So it's either a dodgy wheel bearing or wheel alignment to the left hand side. But I was thinking if you turn left, the body and weight ratio of the vehicle goes to the right hand side, and I thought it was a right hand bearing, so maybe I'm wrong. Any automotive girls out there can comment, please comment. Wildman261, hopefully you can give me some tips. I don't know if it's a wheel bearing, inner wheel bearing, outer wheel bearing, or the four-wheel drive hub bearing itself. There's three on the Vitara on the front. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know what it is. Also, there's I'm gonna do. We got a new toolbox. Courtesy of my father-in-law. I think it's in here. I've got to get one of these toolkits for myself for all my makeup and nail polish and that. Trust me, it's huge. What's this? Does anyone know what that tool's for? I got no idea what it is. I've never really used it before. I don't know if it's a tool for the front hub, or is it a tool for a oil filter removal type tool, because I know those ones actually grab the filter, so I can't see that being that. Oh, there's my blue healer. There he is there. He's the one I said I'd show him. He's getting old. Yeah. I didn't pick my nose, I just scratched it. So if anyone can tell me what that tool is and explain what I'm doing wrong with the front, maybe I just need new tyres due to tyre wear as well. So, but it's humming straight ahead, humming when I turn right, but when I turn left it stops, or just, I don't even have to turn, I just have to, like that, hum, no hum, hum, no hum. You get it? I'm a hummer and then I'm not a hummer. It's a hummer and then a hairdresser car. So, best of both worlds. Take it easy and let me know in the comments. Cheers, bye.